Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Molweni bantwana.
Today, we're learning about family. Are you ready, kids? So, in this family, there is a father, there is a mother, a brother, and a sister. Now let's learn the words in isiXhosa. What is the word for father in isiXhosa? That's right, it's utata. And what is the word for mother in isiXhosa? Very good, umama. Now what is the word for sister in isiXhosa? Very good, udadetu. And what is the word for brother in isiXhosa? That's right, umnakwetu. Now in this family, there is also a cat. What is the word for cat in isiXhosa?
Ikati.
That's right, ikati. And what is the word for dog in isiXhosa?
Inja.
Very good, inja. So we have utata, umama, umnakwetu, udadetu, inja, and ikati. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.
Bye.